Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, I will be discussing regarding the viruses. So here we will be exploring the fascinating field of viruses, and then we will also look into the origin of the viruses. So first and foremost, we should be able to understand that the viruses, they are actually so impactful, and they have been so impactful over the course of the time. And these viruses, they are actually responsible for some of the deadliest diseases. Yet these viruses are not truly alive. And these viruses, we define them as the microscopic infectious agents that have genetic material, for example, DNA or RNA, and they are surrounded by the protein coat. They actually hijack the host cellular machinery. And these viruses, they are considered to be acellular entities. So why we consider them as the acellular entities? Because they lack the cellular structure, and also they lack the ability to reproduce independently. So we call them as the acellular entities. Now coming to the origin of the viruses, so there is a lot of debate between the scientists. So first hypothesis that was given was called as the regressive hypothesis, and that states that the viruses, they may have evolved from more complex organisms and losing unnecessary structures over time. For example, the mimiviruses that shows resemblances with the living organisms. So comes the regressive hypothesis. Then comes the cellular origin hypothesis. So in this cellular origin hypothesis, this states that viruses, they they have originated from genetic material that escaped from cells and that gained the ability to infect other cells. Then comes the co-evolution hypothesis. So in this hypothesis, this states that the viruses, they may have evolved alongside the first living cells as self-replicating entities. For example, we know that the discovery of simple RNA viruses. So this was all about this origin of the viruses.